Hello friends, English dictation 100 words per minute. Start. The idea of economic Swadeshi emerged by the second half of the 19th century, thanks to the writings of R.C. Datta, Dadabhai Nauroji, and M.G. Ranade. The new Western educated middle class was well aware of the colonial economic exploitation. Gopal Hari Deshmukh was one of the first to advocate economic Swadeshi in 1849, but the credit for translating it to a call to action goes to the college faction of the Arya Samajists in Punjab. Pyara, a group of middle-class, Western-educated Punjabis, prominent among them were Lala Lajpat Rai, Lala Harikishan Lal, and Sir Dayal Singh Majitiya, came together to found the Punjab National Bank. This was the first major Indian-owned bank. Lala Harikishan Lal, who soon emerged as the moving force behind this venture, went on to found a series of joint stock companies. These included insurance firms. Bharat Insurance was the first major Indian owned insurance company. Flour mills, a spinning and weaving mill, a cotton press company, an oil pressing and a timber works concern, a match factory, soap factories, bricks kilns, sawmills, ice factories, etc. Pyara. In Bombay, a Parsi lawyer, Ardeshir Burjorji Sorabji Godrej, came to realize the importance of indigenous manufacturing. After failing in a series of ventures, he tested business successes with mechanized locks and founded Godrej and Boise in 1897. Pyara. Acharya Prafulla Chandra Rai, a pioneering chemist, founder of Bengal Chemicals, India's first pharmaceuticals company, and a devoted nationalist, spent his entire life and life savings in promoting education and scientific research and in advocating knowledge-based industries to address India's poverty. For people like him, entrepreneurship based on scientific knowledge was an inevitable step towards nation building. Pyara. In Bengal, at least since 1867, when some members of the Tagore family helped Nabagopal Mitra to organize a fair to promote Swadeshi enterprises. There had been regular calls for self-reliance or Atmashakti, including promotion of education, particularly technical education, the boycott of foreign goods, and indigenous production and distribution. Pyara. Two families took lead in this. First, the Roy family of Bhagyakul, who developed a flourishing trade in rice and jute, and were the chief organizers of the Bengal National Chamber of Commerce. Second, the Tagore family, especially Jyotiridranath, launched a major venture in 1884 with his inland river steam navigation service. Even Bengal Chemicals praised the Swadeshi, though it received a massive boost during the Swadeshi days. Stop.